Hello children, hi, this is Fareed Miss. Today we are going to start maths second lesson. Let's handle geometric shapes from your textbook page number 2 of standard second. So first we'll see the picture. There is one table and on the table there are different types of objects are kept. Clown cap, mehndi cone, bottle, different size of balls, matchstick box, mithai box. Another box is kept, compass box. So we are going to learn about shapes, geometric shapes, different types of shapes. First we will read. Let's collect matchstick boxes, cartoons of toothpaste, mithai, etc., water bottles, balls of different sizes, a clown's cap, and pipes made of card paper. Now on my table, can you see different types of objects are placed? Toothpaste, cartoon, matchstick box. This is not a mithai box but a jewelry box. Shape is similar. Bottles are there. Pipe made of cardboard. Clown cap, mehndi cone, ball of different size. Okay. So today we are going to learn about its shapes, edges and corners. So now first object is cuboid or parallel piped. Now we are going to learn about its edges and corners. So first we will count. This kind of box shape is cuboid. So we are going to count its edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 4 edges. Back side 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, like this there are 12 edges and we are going to count corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total there are 8 corners, 12 edges and 8 corners. You must have seen bricks on construction sites. Any object shaped like a brick is called a cuboid. Now children, on my table also there is matchstick box. Like this shape is also called cuboid. Toothpaste cartoon. And this I have made different box. This is also called cuboid. Now let us look at the surfaces of a cuboid. They are all flat. You can see this is all flat, plain. We are going to count surfaces. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total there are 6 surfaces. Now second is cone. Now let's take a look at the clown's cap you have made. Its shape is called a cone. Can you see? Clown cap is in a cone shape. Okay? A fool cap, a clown cap is all the same. You are familiar with an ice cream cone and a mehndi cone. So we are going to count its edge and corner. One corner, one edge. Okay. So in mehndi cone also, okay, you can see one corner, one edge. Now this base is circular. Okay. Upper cone is circular. Now third, cylinder. Now look at the water bottle. The shape of the bottle is called a cylinder. In the picture also you can see it is in a round surface, circular base. Okay. Bottle I have. So bottle like shape is called cylinder. It has two edges. One, two. Now it is totally round, no corners. Okay. So it has two edges and no corners. A cylinder has two edges but not a single corner. The base and the top surface of a cylinder are alike. Means it is same. The turning surface between them is curved surface. Now this is turning surface is round curved surface. Fourth is sphere. A ball is a ball is said to be a spherical. Sphere. A shape like a ball is called a sphere. Now this like this shape of a ball is called a sphere. It has no edges and no corner because no part of a sphere is flat. It turns continuously. Thus a sphere has only a curved surface. Okay. So totally the ball is round in shape and it has curved surface. Now children, we are going to learn about rolling and sliding of the objects. Now there are some objects. We are going to look which of the following objects will roll and which ones will slide down. First I am going to take this cartoon box of toothpaste. I am going to keep here. So it gets slide down. Again. Okay. Why? Because it has flat surface. It has flat surface. Now I am going to take this ball. So ball, what happened when I kept on the slide, it gets rolled down. Why? Because it has no edges and no corner. No part of a sphere is flat. It turns continuously. So it has a curved surface. That's why it rolls down. Now I am going to take this bottle. So bottle also roll down. Why? Because it also has no corner. It has two edges. Okay, 1, 2, and the turning surface between them is curved. That's why when I kept on slide, it get rolled down. So children, today we learn about different types of shapes. We have looked different objects. We have observed different shapes, its edges and corners. Okay, cylinder, cuboid, cone, sphere. Now we are going to do some quick revision. Now cuboid has 12 edges and 8 corners. Cone has 1 edge and 1 corner. Cylinder has 2 edges and no corners, 0. Sphere has no edges, no corner. That means 0 edges and 0 corners. I hope you understand my explanation, children. So, observe different types of object from your house. Try to identify its shape and count its edges and corners. Okay? Collect objects of different shapes and gain some experience of rolling and sliding of the objects. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching.